guys, it's Alina and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while. Hi, I've missed you. It has been so long since I have sat down and recorded a video. I think it was around Christmas time or something. I keep myself updated on my different social medias, so there's a little shameless plug there if you want to go and check all that out. But welcome to today's video. This video is something that I am hugely passionate about. It is something that I know so many of us girls and guys can struggle with, and that is body image. I work online, I work on social media, and so with this job almost comes this level of inauthenticity because everyone around you is masking what's actually going on in their lives. They're masking what they actually look like, and that's where I want to be a little bit different. I want to kind of break that wall, break that barrier, so the people that watch me don't feel like they're talking to a robot basically. So today I am going into some of the ways that influencers can hide, mask, make themselves seem better than they actually are, and I'm just going to hopefully break down that barrier and maybe teach you something new. With that being said, let's just jump right into this video. Some of the things that I have realized is when I'm scrolling through social media, I see people looking insanely perfect, and I'm sure that you guys have noticed this. I'm sure you've often wondered, why is it that you don't look like that? Even when it comes down to doing makeup, if you're into makeup and you play around with makeup and you think that your makeup is looking really good, and then you go ahead and take a photo and you wonder, how do those beauty gurus actually get their makeup looking so vibrant, so perfect looking? I'm going to teach you a little trick here. It's not about your makeup, it's not about your skills or your camera or anything like that. I'm sure those things help, but really for it to look perfect, you don't need any of those things. Right here, right now, I'm going to show you guys just how easy I can change the way my face looks and the way my makeup looks and all of that. So just keep watching. I'm first going to take a photo of myself. Let's angle it nicely. Okay, so we've got our photo. Apps these days are just insane with what they can do, and I want to show you the perfect example of just how much you can change the way that you look basically. So we've got this photo right here, you're looking at it right now. This is the photo that I've taken. Now my hair looks a little bit weird, so I want a little bit of volume. So let's just quickly add a little bit of volume right there. Okay, perfect. It's subtle, as you can see, but it does the trick. Now we want makeup. So as you can see, you can add whatever you want: foundation, eyeliner, eyebrows, eyelashes. I want contouring, and you can see the different levels. So I want a little bit more than that. Honestly, I want a little bit more than that. Already I'm looking so polished. My makeup is looking so completely polished. Now let's add some eyelashes. Okay, the eyelashes are there. I want some lip gloss, some bright glossy lip gloss. Now let's go into eyeliner. We want it pretty dramatic. I want to show you guys just how dramatic it can get. I don't know, is that too dramatic? Let's bring it back a little bit and apply that. Now let's smooth it out. Okay, now let's save that. I want to show you guys the before and after. Can you see by this image just how crazy it is that I can change the entire way that I look, the entire look of my makeup? It looks like my makeup skills are incredible, my skin is just amazing, and really it looks natural. That didn't take me too long, and in fact I don't look anything like that, as you can see. This is a technique that beauty gurus, influencers use to fool you. It is just so incredibly easy, and I want to give you more examples right here with some more photos that I have taken in the past, just to show you how easy it is. In these photos that I'm showing you right now, I am, in some of them, really not happy, but I look incredible. I look as though I've been putting so much time and effort into my skin, my hair, my makeup. Everything looks perfected, and it's so easy for you on the outside to look and go, wow, she's got the most perfect life, when in reality I just did all of that on my phone. None of that is actually real. Not only this, but I can change the way that my body looks, not just in a photo. I can also change it in a video. It is a very subtle difference, a very subtle change, but it's enough to go, oh, my body doesn't look like that. It's enough for girls to feel insecure about, because bodies don't actually look this defined or this perfect. Here you can see how I do it with my body in a photo. Of course, there's been numerous celebrities who have slipped up when they have edited their bodies, and you can see that the curve of what's behind you can be so easily influenced. So most of the time people will do it on a white wall or a background where if you distort the body, it doesn't matter if it distorts the background as well. So these are just some of the tricks that people are able to do in order to fool you into looking a particular way. This is the reason why you are never going to look like these influencers, these celebrities, because the reality is they don't look like it themselves. They will not resemble it. So I hope this video gave you some type of encouragement to know that we are all in the same boat. We are all, struggling along with life. None of us are perfect, and none of us are perfect looking. We're all perfect in the way we are, but it's filters that have made us feel like we aren't perfect. I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.